Hey my friends, today I'm back with another video, and today I want to talk about this bottle of fragrance which is just in time for me for the for the summer season that is already here. It's been really hot recently here where I live, and I was looking for something new in the term of fragrances to add to my collection from the fresh perspective. This fragrance completely escaped me because it was launched in 2017, and it is the Artisan Pure from John Varvatos line, and this came out in I think fall of 2017. As a lot of you know, I was after a brain stroke in April time 2017, and I was in the middle of my recovery when this came out, so obviously I had bigger fish to fry in order to focus on fragrance and what's being released. But nevertheless, here I am back now to this fragrance because I heard great things about it. The presentation is pretty simple. It's a cardboard box, opens like this, and inside is the bottle, which I think is really beautiful. Oops, be careful not to drag it out by the cap, because the cap is not really solid on it. Here's the bottle, looks really nice. To me it looks like a little flask that could be used for alcohol. I don't know, but it's really nicely made. It's a glass, then it's weaved around with this material, which is looks to be natural material. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. And then the top, the closing is plastic but looks like cork. It's not cork though. And you open it up like this to reveal the sprayer. I gone for a 75 milliliter bottle. You can get 125 also if you want more of this juice, but I do have a lot of fragrances, so I went for this one. So what it is, so let me just cheat a little bit here on the back. So the perfumer for this is Rodrigo Flores Roux. I hope I said this correctly. Rodrigo Flores Roux, 2017, a spin-off of the Artisan line, because the Artisan line has many other fragrances that were also released before that. This is a fresh summer fragrance. The top notes are clementine, mandarin orange, lemon, bergamot, thyme, marjoram, petitgrain, ginger, and the base is woody notes, musk, and amber. So this opens really nice and fresh and floral, but also with a bit of sweetness, which I believe would come off from the amber. Let me just give this a quick smell. Spray here to remind myself. Yeah, so the opening is very fresh. Yeah, so the opening is really comes off a lot of lemon, a lot of bergamot from the top, and then goes floral quite quickly, and a tad sweet. There will be more sweetness coming up when the fragrance goes towards the middle of its development, but the opening nevertheless is very fresh. So although this is a fresh fragrance, because it has amber, it still carries some depth to it. Therefore there is a little bit of sweetness to this, not too much that you cannot wear it in very warm weather, so there's no problem with that. Yeah, it becomes a little bit sweeter after you spray it from the initial blast. I like that I don't smell close to nothing. I would say more nothing than any alcohol in this. So it's not very alcoholic. I did wear it yesterday a little bit, and I can say on me it lasts and projects for the first 2 hours, and then it becomes a skin scent, which is to be obviously expected, as this is concentration eau de toilette, as it says here on the box. So eau de toilette, so it's not eau de perfume. So the oil concentration is much lower, therefore you can expect that this is fleeting. Nevertheless, at the price that this is going, the 75 milliliter bottle you can pick up for around 20 euros, which is an absolute bargain for this particular fragrance. I have worn this yesterday and got a very nice unsolicited compliment from a person in a bar where I was having a lunch who was sitting next to me, and it was a gentleman, it was not a lady, but I do believe ladies would like this smell, and actually I believe this could be worn by girls also. All the smells, in my personal opinion, are unisex, and this one, because it has this array of sweetness, can be easily pulled off by ladies, although it is marketed towards men. That said, I believe it's unisex. Okay, so some of the fragrances obviously are, if they are very, very masculine, they lend themselves more towards male wearers, while this one, I believe, can easily be pulled off by a lady. So don't be shy away from this one. If your man is using this, do give it a whiff, maybe you will like it, okay? That said, I don't want to make this too long. So, Artisan Pure from John Varvatos. If you have not put yet your nose on this one, for the price that this is going, do put it in the rotation in your collection for the summer days and evenings. I think it's a great pick. And if you do so, do let me know how do you feel about it. Or if you already own it, please leave your comment down in the comment section. If not, I strongly recommend this for the fraction of some of your per se designer fragrances. So this is per se much cheaper than anything you can get from Dior. So this is much cheaper than any Sauvage, Eau de Toilette, Eau de Parfum, Bleu de Chanel, whatnot. Chanel Allure Homme Sport. I think this plays in the same category than Allure Homme Sport. And this will put you a little bit away from all the most known fragrances that are the most popular. This fragrance, in my opinion, should have much more bigger following than it has. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please press the like button. And if you have any questions about this or anything else that is in my video set, please do let me know. I'm always available, and I'll be more than happy to write back. Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you a great weekend upcoming. Thank you, and bye for now. Bye.